Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Loosen up. Relax. Don't take it too seriously. By doing so, you'll only be too hard on yourself and get frustrated with drawing. That's not what you want. This is something you love and that makes you happy, so let's keep it like that. Art isn't meant to be stressing. I know it can be sometimes, I've been there. So don't try to force it if you're not quite able to relax and go with the flow at the time, just chill down a bit and come back later. Artists are not created in a day. You have to work hard to become an artist, cheerfully, joyfully. Anytime I feel that my drawings aren't going the way I want them to, I'll stop. For weeks if needed. If I'm not having fun with my personal projects, I'll take a break from them. I let them and myself rest for a bit until I feel I've got it handled again. Remember, your art will improve over time and with practice. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.